Moon in Libra, Thursday and Friday, 21st and 22nd of June 2018. And we're in Solstice, and we're in the first quarter of the moon. And Friday is technically Moon in Libra, depending where you are in the world, on Friday the 22nd, so it's up to 3 p.m. in the US. 11 p.m, 12 p.m. in Europe, and 4 a.m. the next day in India. After 3 days of clearing internally with Moon in Virgo rhythms, we're seeking balance and harmony in our environments and our interactions from strength of character. So from the inner world, seeking harmony with environments and interactions. As it's solstice and the sun ingresses into Cancer, we're more susceptible to our lunar ups and downs in this cycle. So for a couple of days, we're going to be susceptible to what we would typically expect of moon rhythms. We can also have mixed signals causing frustrations, which can madden us, with Venus and Mars opposing. So, we spoke about that in Venus in Virgo, and hopefully the practices were supportive. So frustrations, which can be maddening, mixed signals, yet we'll want to weigh up our options. Friday is our major karmic lull day of this cycle. We're sitting with Plutonic energy for a void of 18 hours, and Moon will be transiting later then on Friday into Scorpio. So as I've said, that's any time from 3 p.m. depending where you are in the US, 11 p.m, 12 p.m. in Europe, and next day 4 a.m. in India. So 18 hours of sitting with the Plutonic energy that the moon has bounced off. All I can think to say is, ooh, as we go into Scorpio, which is a lot more determined and direct. Practices then to support you. Thursday, I think we should be setting our intention for harmony for humanity and practicing our balanced being practice. On Friday then, making our sadhana, making our daily life, our work, our practice into our sacred practice, our sadhana. And I think it'd be a really good day to contemplate the Niyamas of Yoga. A good day to contemplate how we use our soul energy. So the Niyamas are, I say, soul flows sweetly. How is your soul going to flow sweetly? How are you going to manage your various energies in order for your soul to flow? Which is, after all, your bliss. During this transit, as I know it's going to be a bit tricky, say the least. It shouldn't be with Libra, but there we go. Libra's always trying to get into harmony, not necessarily in harmony. If anything else, if I tune into other practices as we go through the rhythms that I think will help and support you, then I will upload them and post as usual to the social media. Namaste. This is for your healing. This is Susan for the Suzen Teachings, and please do check the description box below, and the link is there for your donations, which are always gratefully received.